In this video, I'll show you how to enable the installation of DirectPlay Legacy Component in Windows 11. DirectPlay is a component of Microsoft's DirectX. It is now obsolete software. If, however, you are wanting to install and play an old game or a program, you may need to install it. Let me show you how to go about doing that. Begin first by searching for the program called Control Panel. To do this, locate the search box on your taskbar. My search box is at the bottom left-hand corner. I'm just going to click on it to open it. In the search box, type Control Panel. The best match should be Windows Control Panel. You can click here or click on Open to the right hand side. I'm going to click on Open. Once your Control Panel has opened, click on Programs. Underneath Program and Features, look for where it says Turn Windows Features on or off. Click on that. A small window will open called Windows Features. In here, towards the top, you won't need to scroll, locate Legacy Components. Click on the plus symbol next to Legacy Components to see other folders inside of here. And as you can see, there's one folder called DirectPlay. Currently, DirectPlay is not installed. We're going to enable the installation of DirectPlay Component. To do this, simply click on the box next to it to checkmark it. Now that we've turned on the Windows feature called DirectPlay, all we need to do is click on OK. Windows will then begin installing and enabling DirectPlay. It should be done rather quickly. And there we go, Windows completed the requested changes and now can click on Close. That pretty much concludes the video. If you want to confirm that DirectPlay is now enabled, you can simply click on Turn Windows Features on or off again, and you'll see Legacy Features again. Click on the plus symbol here, and there we go. You can see DirectPlay is now on. I'm going to click on Cancel. And that pretty much concludes this video on how to enable the installation of DirectPlay Legacy Component on Windows 11. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let